In 2001, development of a new tactical transport aircraft commenced in China. It was designed as a replacement for the Y-8 fleet of transports, copy of a Soviet In-12. Chinese attempted to create a tactical transport aircraft comparable to a US C-130J Super Hercules. Eventually the Y-8 was stretched, improved and upgraded to create the Y-9. Ukrainian Antonov Design Bureau consulted Chinese developers on the redesign of the wings and fuselage. The new aircraft has greater payload and range. The Y-9 made its first flight in 2010. This transport aircraft became operational with Chinese Air Force in 2012. The Y-9, as well as its variants, is being produced in significant numbers by Shaanxi Aircraft Corporation. A single Y-9 has been exported to Myanmar. The Y-9 has similar layout to the previous Y-8. However, it lacks a tail turret with two 23mm cannons, that was present on some early variants of the Y-8. The Y-9 can carry 25,000 kilograms of cargo, though reportedly this aircraft will also take of overloaded with 30,000 kilograms of cargo. This transport aircraft can carry 106 passengers, 132 paratroopers, or 72 stretchers. Alternatively, it can carry two ZLC-2000 airborne combat vehicles that can be paradropped. The Y-9 can carry various other military vehicles, including light trucks, cargo containers or pallets. The cargo bay has an internal volume of 155 m3. It is fitted with cargo handling rollers and T-down rings. The rear cargo door serves as a ramp. The Y-9 features improved engines and modern avionics. There is an electro-optical turret with forward-looking infrared, FLIR, and TV sensors, mounted under the fuselage. It is used for operation at night and in adverse weather conditions. This aircraft is powered by 4 WJ6 series turboprops, rated at 5,100 shp each. Some sources report that Ukraine supplied engines for this transport aircraft. It could be a Ukrainian Ivchenko Progress AI-20D engine. Each engine is fitted with a 6-bladed propeller. This aircraft can operate from short and unprepared airstrips. This transport aircraft is operated by a crew of 4, including 2 pilots, flight engineer and loadmaster. Variants Y-9E is an export version. A single aircraft has been exported to Myanmar. Y-9JB is an electronic warfare and surveillance aircraft, with 4 large fairings and additional antenna. Y-9G is an electronic warfare variant. Y-9XC is reportedly a psychological warfare variant. Y-9DZ is an electronic warfare variant. This aircraft is capable of flying various special missions, including electronic intelligence, communication jamming, psychological operations missions and even surveillance missions during search and rescue operations. This version was first spotted in 2017. KQ-200 is a maritime patrol aircraft designed to detect and engage submarines and warships. KJ-500 is an airborne early warning aircraft with fixed radome. It was first publicly revealed in 2015. It could be a replacement for an older KJ-200 early warning aircraft, based on the Y-8,